Wait a minute. This ain't good. Wait, this is my new Tardis. Well, see now. What? See now. Right. Full text. Here we go. Right. Check it for the Tardis. Right. So, about to get in time. Because the Tardis regenerating. So what? Wait a minute. Tardis coming to our ship. No. That's all good. Come on. Hello? Yeah? Okay. Come on, work. Oh no. How am I regenerating? What? Oh, you gotta get her. What? Travel to different planets. Wait, did I regenerate? What's this? Tie. A tie. So, I don't wear this anymore. I gotta get a new shirt and new coat. Right. So, what I shall do here, and you can get the process, wow. So wait. No, that's not good. We are crashing. That was good. Wait, let's see if we crash or not. We are. Oh my god. No. Right, my Tardis. Travel to. Right, I'm the doctor again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to Mommy. Right. So. Yeah. No. My work. So. What? So. Wait, I got program. Hello? Ooh. Yeah? Of course I am crashing. What are you gonna do about it? Shoot dogs! Fantastic! Destroy of this madness.